Today, we are going to show you all how to make your own lava lamp at home. This is going to be a simple project and you will only need 5 things. All you're going to need is vegetable oil, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, and a glass jar. You should have everything here. Don't worry if you don't have a glass jar like the one here. You can always use any recycled glass bottles or even any plastic bottles that you have lying around. To start, you're going to want to grab your clear container and set it down on a flat surface. Then, you're going to want to add your baking soda. Aim for about 1/5 of the container that you are using. Then you're going to add your vegetable oil. You are going to want to fill up most of the container. Now, you can add your food color. For this video, we're going to be using blue and yellow. Finally, add some vinegar and allow the reaction to commence. Now just wait and watch the magic happen. To properly dispose of everything used, you would want to pour it into a non-recyclable container with the lid and throw it into the garbage. Common non-recyclable containers that work well include cardboard milk cartons and similar wax or plastic-lined paper containers. Have fun making your own lava lamps.